Good morning, dear students. I am Mahesh Das Mahant, your English teacher. Today we will study Honeysuckle, Chapter 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. So, please pay attention to listen and understand the explanation of this chapter. Okay, dear students, this is the news. Okay, tragedy in space, US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. Okay, this is the news. Okay, when the sea breakdown. Okay, and dear students, in paragraph first we read, Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. Dear students, Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed, she never dreamed as a child in Karnal. Karnal means, dear students, now in Punjab, Haryana, that she would cross the frontiers of space. She is a leading personality of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore's school. She went US for attending engineering college. Second paragraph. After a bachelor's of science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her fathers, she went for a master's degree to the United States, America. Dear students, after bachelor's degree of science degree, of aeronautical engineering, and her father against and opposed to don't go US for study, but she went, United States of America, and she later earned her PhD also, on aeronautical engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Dear students, after great opposition of his father, he earned PhD degree at the aeronautical engineering, and she was the first Indian American woman to astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and had participated in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with stop at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. Dear students, in paragraph third, we see that Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. Now she became a citizen of US. Married to a flight instructor, Jean Pierre, and she married to Jean Pierre, flight instructor, Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multiple engine land airplanes. She was inside of besides the astronaut, she was licensed to fly single or many engine airplanes. Single engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor, and she was also a certified flight instructor also. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA Space Shuttle program, and she applied for NASA Space Shuttle program. Okay, she was first hired as a research scientist at a NASA in 1994. Okay, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut, and she was selected as a scientist. Okay, for astronaut. Okay, astronaut, and when she asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, "I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or person from a small city or a different country. Okay, I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them, and people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to carry on." The students in this paragraph, his family support, and he also never support to fly and go on for study. Okay, the students in paragraph 5, we see that Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. Okay, during this time she went around traveling on earth 252 times. Okay, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. Okay, the crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computers chips, all for a price tax of about $56 million. Dear students, there is a huge description about. Okay, in paragraph we see that on the Saturday night when news was about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. Okay, when the Columbia shuttle disasters broke out, okay, and everyone was in shock and disbelief. Okay, and the town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of the household stayed glued their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. When the news spread over the town of the Karnal and her family's sleepless flight night, and thousands of people and household, okay, and watched the TV channel, news channel, to see that a hope how Kalpana and anyone survived from this disaster. A journalist wrote, "She was a heroine. It takes an enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut." Her achievements is awe-inspiring. Dear students, this is the appraisal of a journalist, okay, about her. And for millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who in a message that she sent from aboard the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does not exist. Okay, may you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on it." Okay, dear students, the success you is not you got it. Okay, and find it. Okay, the vision to find it, the courage to get it onto, and wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. Dear students, these are the story and explanation of the astronaut. Okay, and if you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitation. Thank you. Have a nice day.